Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Now remember, there's certain instances in California where you actually have the ability to act in a real estate related capacity without needing a license. Now these are rare, but I'll give you a couple of them. First, if you're buying or selling your own home, your own building, your own business, you don't need a real estate license to do that, right? If you're selling your own house, you could be a for sale by owner. You're selling your own piece of land, you could sell that by owner. Now, I wouldn't recommend that as a real estate professional, but fine, you could do that without a license, number one. Another example of where you can act in a real estate related capacity is if you had power of attorney from an owner. As an example, maybe you are selling your house or you want to sell your house here in Los Angeles, but you're on vacation in Spain for a while. You could give someone power of attorney and they could help you sell that property without needing a license because they have a power of attorney. They are your attorney in fact. So that's another exemption. Appraisers can act in an appraisal capacity without needing a real estate license. Now they'll have their own separate appraisal license, but they don't need a real estate license to do appraisals. So if you're an employee at a bank and you're doing mortgage loans at a bank, you don't need to have a real estate license to be a mortgage loan originator at a bank. But I mean, there's like 8 or 9 instances of this, but I just kind of want you to wrap your mind around the fact that you don't necessarily need a real estate license in every instance. There are instances like if you're selling your own house, if you have a duly executed power of attorney, if you are an employee at a bank, you don't need a real estate license in every instance in California. In most of them you will, but there are exceptions.